statute took its roots from one basic formula, and that was divide and rule. Initially, after fall of Mughal Empire, Muslims had developed animosity with English Empire. But later on, British knew the real resistance they could face would be staged by Hindus, the majority. The reason behind it was deep desire of Hindu political agenda to rule united India, not divided India. They wanted a united subcontinent where both Hindus and Muslims could live together peacefully. Though it was not possible fully, as British bureaucracy with the help of locals had raised religious hatredness among the Hindus and Muslims. But Second World War had weakened the British Empire. Secondly, Soviet Union, USSR, and imminent revolution in China was a threat to Western Europe and American imperialism.